Please read out the question.
The financial year of Northwest Traders end on 30th November. The following information is provided. Inventory 1, December 2003, 4,600. Inventory 30th November 2004, 5,200. Revenue 72,000. The markup is is at a standard rate of 25%. Calculate by means of trading account section of an income statement the purchases for the year ended 30th November 2000.
So it means in what is the beginning date? Beginning date is what? 1st
First
December
December
2003, right? And
Yeah.
last date is what? 30th November 2004, isn't it? Now in this question, what purchase is missing? Purchases is what? Missing. We don't know what is the amount of purchases, isn't it? We have opening
Yeah.
inventory, we have closing inventory, we know the revenue, but we don't know the figure of purchases. Now, how to use this markup information to find out this the value of the purchase? So this is the task actually. This is what we are supposed to do.
Yeah.
So see what we will do. First, I will prepare the trading section of the income statement. So let me copy this format and I will use this format here. So this is the trading section. Till gross profit is the trading section, right?
Yep.
So let me use this trading section. So revenue is clearly given in the question. Can you tell me the figure of revenue?
72,000.
Yeah, so first I will write that 72. Now from revenue we need to subtract cost of sale, right? For cost of sales, see we have opening inventory. Opening inventory is given, right? And what is the
Yep.
amount of opening inventory? 4,600. Clear?
4,600.
After
Yep.
that we take purchases, but we don't know the amount of purchases. That is the missing, right?
Yeah.
Then we know closing inventory. And closing inventory we need to subtract, right? 5,200 that is given in the question. So out of these three items, we know only the value of two items: opening inventory and closing inventory. Purchases we don't know.
Yeah.
Clear? Now, until unless we know the amount of purchases, we won't able to find out cost of sale, right? To find cost of sale, we need purchases, isn't it? So purchases is not given. So what to do now? So see, we will use this information markup. And what is the rate of markup?
25.
25%. So using this markup, I can easily find out gross profit. First, I will find out gross profit. Then from revenue, I will subtract gross profit. Let's say gross profit, let's assume 30,000 or 3,000. Okay. Let's assume. So what will be the cost of sale then? 72 minus 3. This will be the cost of sale, na?
Yeah.
We are going reverse. Usually what we do, from revenue, we subtract cost of sale, we get gross profit. But this time,
Yeah.
first we will find out gross profit. And from
Okay.
revenue, I will subtract gross profit in order to find what? Cost of sale. So this is what we are supposed to do. Now see how to do that. So how to use that markup information. So can you tell me the info, what do you mean by markup?
Markup is a percentage of gross profit on cost of sales.
On cost of sale. And cost of sale we don't know. Do we know cost of sale?
Yeah. No.
So always write whenever your percentage is based on the item which you don't know. In that case, we will follow this strategy. So see, I am writing one formula. Sales is equal to cost of sales plus gross profit. Can I write this? Are you agree to this formula?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sale means revenue. If I add gross profit and cost of sale, definitely I will get revenue, right?
Yeah.
So this formula is clear, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now see my markup. Markup means percentage of gross profit is based on cost of sale, right? And cost of sale we don't know in the question. So when something we don't know, can we assume that 100?
Yeah.
So cost of sale, I am assuming that it is 100. So can you tell me what will be the gross profit then?
Then it's gonna be 25.
25% means $25. Clear?
Yeah.
Then can you tell me now what will be the sales?
Then it will be 125.
125. These are all estimated, assumed figure, right?
Mm-hmm.
This markup percentage is based on cost of sale that we don't know. So I assume that it is 100. So now
Yeah.
25% of this will be the gross profit. So gross profit is 25 and the sale will be 125. Now can you convert this markup into margin using this data? For now you forget this data. We will use this data and can we find out margin?
So yeah, because we have the gross profit, right? So it's gonna be 25 upon 72,000 into 100.
No. I am asking using this data. Using this data, can we find out margin now?
Yeah.
Markup is given. Now I want to find margin.
Gross profit upon net revenue times 100.
Yes, so gross profit is given 25
Yeah.
divided by,
Net revenue will be 125.
so 125 multiply by 100, right?
Yeah.
What I am doing here, I am converting markup into margin. My task is that.
Okay.
Then we will solve the question. First task is converting markup into margin. Is this formula correct?
Yep.
Margin means gross profit divided by revenue, net revenue. That is 125 multiplied by 100. Now see 25 divided by 125. So I got how much percentage? How much percentage? 20%. So what is the margin now?
20.
20%. Now we will use this. We will not use this markup. This markup percentage I used to find margin. And once we got the margin, now I will use this. See, margin is what? 20% of revenue, na?
Yeah.
Now see what is my revenue?
72.
72,000, right? And it's
Yeah.
20%. It's 20% is what? My gross profit. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
So I got my gross profit. I hope till here, no doubt, right?
Yeah, no doubt.
So what is my first step? What I did? I converted markup
Margin to
into margin.
markup to margin.
And once I got margin, I applied that margin percentage on revenue and I got gross profit. Now what I will do? From revenue, I will subtract this gross profit, right?
Yeah.
To get cost of sale. So my cost of sale is this much. Clear?
Yes.
Now how to find purchases? What is the formula of cost of sale? Cost of
sale is sales minus gross profit.
Cost of sales is equal to what? Opening in inventory plus purchases in this question, right?
Yeah.
And minus closing in inventory, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now cost of sale I got 57,600. Opening inventory is how much? 4,600. Purchases I don't know. And minus closing inventory is what? 5,200. Now can you find out the amount of purchases?
Yeah. Wait, just a second.
So I will transfer these two figures which is on the right hand side. Shall I transfer to the left hand side?
Yes.
So 57,600 minus 4,600 and plus 5,200, isn't it?
Yes.
Is equal to purchases. Is it correct mathematically?
Yes. 58200. I mean, yeah.
57,600 minus 4,600 plus 5,200. So I got my purchases figure how much? 58,200. This is the amount of what? Purchases. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, and that I will write here 58,200.